Todoist Review Usage Experience. In today's video, we're going to explore Todoist, a powerful task management tool that helps you stay organized and boost productivity. Links to Todoist and related resources are in the description below. Todoist is a task manager that stands out for its clean interface, user-friendly design, and flexibility. Whether you're managing personal tasks or team projects, Todoist can scale to meet your needs. It's available across multiple platforms, including mobile, desktop, and web, ensuring you can access your tasks anytime, anywhere. One of the key features that Todoist offers is its task categorization. You can create projects, assign tasks to those projects, and easily organize them using labels and filters. This makes it easy to prioritize tasks based on urgency, due dates, or specific goals. The due date and recurring task feature is incredibly useful for keeping things on track. Whether it's a daily, weekly, or one-time task, Todoist ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. Collaboration is also a big plus with Todoist. You can share tasks and entire projects with teammates, assign responsibilities, and set deadlines. This is particularly useful for small teams or individuals who want to stay aligned on shared goals. Todoist's commenting system on tasks allows for clear communication, making it easy to keep everyone in the loop. Another standout feature of Todoist is its integration capabilities. It connects seamlessly with other productivity tools like Google Calendar, Dropbox, and Zapier, allowing you to automate workflows and stay connected to the tools you already use. Plus, with its natural language processing, you can quickly add tasks by typing phrases like "meeting tomorrow at 3 p.m." and Todoist will automatically recognize the date and time. On the downside, while Todoist offers a free plan, many of the more advanced features, such as labels, filters, and project reminders, are locked behind the premium subscription. The pricing is reasonable, but if you're just looking for basic task management, the free plan may be sufficient. In summary, Todoist is an excellent tool for individuals and teams looking to improve their task management and productivity. With its clean interface, powerful features, and flexible organization system, it's definitely worth considering for anyone looking to stay organized and on top of their tasks. If you're ready to take your productivity to the next level, check out the links in the description to explore Todoist.